Okay, in continuation with the electrophilic aromatic substitution, in case of pyrazole and imidazole, now we will go for the some electrophilic substitution reactions in case of imidazole as well as some synthetic methods for this to synthesize the imidazole. So as we know all these basic things about aromaticity and hybridization in case of imidazole, we'll switch to the next slide, tautomer of the imidazole. So you can see over here they have taken 4-methyl imidazole. So how we can write different structures of 4-methyl imidazole and write so equilibrium with 5-methyl imidazole. So these two structures are in equilibrium. Hydrogen bonding, as you know, two imidazole molecule they can form hydrogen bonding with each other. Okay, so pay attention, remember this thing properly. Imidazole, pyrazole, all these things they can form hydrogen bond in between together in between so in the same with the same molecule. Okay, so some of this synthesis of imidazole, some name reactions of synthesis of imidazole I have provided material already, but still I will cover some of this one. Radization square imidazole synthesis of imidazole from dicarbonyl and aldehyde and then ammonia, dicarbonyl, ammonia and aldehyde. Completes in two stage. So you can see over here. If you want a clear cut mechanism, you can search more for on this one via internet. You can use internet sources, research materials, or you can go through some of the books to find out the exact proper mechanism. Next synthetic method from an alpha halocarbonyl components. Okay, alpha halocarbonyl components with amidine. Okay, amidine, and we have to change here alpha hydroxyketone or alpha haloketone. So we can get over here the substituted imidazole from dehydrogenation of imidazoline. Okay, so imidazoline we have to synthesize first. Imidazoline partially reduced form of imidazole. So from the condensation of 1,2-diamine with nitrile, we can get this type of imidazole. So now we'll switch to the electrophilic aromatic substitution. So protonation basic property, imidazole accepts proton acts as a base. So as we know, pyridine like nitrogen has a lone pair which is free, it accepts proton and to form the imidazolium cation. Electrophilic addition to nitrogen, N-alkylation. Okay, so as same we have seen the same reaction with the pyrazole. The same thing we have to N-alkylation. Free lone pair attacks abstracts or react with methyl group, and N-alkylation possible with positive charge and methyl imidazolium salt, and we can show the tautomers in this way. Another addition of next molecule of the imidazole abstracts proton, and we can get the free molecule of the N-alkyl imidazole. And next reaction of the same molecule methyl iodide, it can give the dialkylation also. Next, electrophilic substitution to the carbon. We have seen in our previous slide that electrophilic substitution occurs in case of imidazole at 4th and 5th position, but it won't occur at 2nd position, which is in between two nitrogen atom. Okay, so this 4th and 5th position is more favored for the electrophilic substitution in case of imidazole. C2 substitution not favorable. Okay, C2 substitution not favorable as it forms highly unstable N positive charge. Okay, once we will do electron substitution at 2nd position, nitrogen acquires positive charge. So 2nd position electron substitution is not possible. So we'll go for nitration. Nitration of imidazole we can achieve with the help of nitric acid and oleum. So for nitro imidazole we can get sulfonation reaction with H2S overheating. We can get imidazole 4 sulfonic acid, 4 or 5 sulfonic acid. Okay, 4, 5th both are identical. Next, halogenation reaction in case of imidazole, in case bromine, acetic acid, sodium acetate. So it gives 4,5 dibromo product. I think at 2nd position also we can get this bromination. Bromination gives 2,4,5 tribromo diazole, tribromo imidazole. On treatment, this on treatment again treatment sodium sulfate gives the 4-bromo 1H imidazole. 4 or 5 bromoimidazole can be obtained by reduction of tribromoimidazole with sodium sulfite. Okay, so this is the halogenation reaction. Imidazole catalyzed ester HL. Imidazolyl group of histidine. We know that imidazole is present in histidine molecule. Residue present in hydrolytic enzymes functions as ester HL. Imidazole as a base catalysis. activates water for attack at carbonyl carbon. Okay, so base imidazole as a base catalyst, it activates the water molecule. Okay, so activates water for attack at the carbonyl carbon. So we can use over here imidazole as a catalyst. Imidazole as a nucleophilic catalyst. Okay, nucleophilic catalysis. So lone pair pyridine like nitrogen, which holds that lone pair which is free for next reaction. So here scientists made different uses. So here they have used as a nucleophilic catalysis. So this lone pair they have used to attack on this one. So you can find so many different reactions where you can find imidazole acts as a catalyst. So they made imidazole in such a way, they construct or they design imidazole molecule in such a way that it acts in different like carbon. They can generate carbon at C second position, and they do use of this imidazole carbon, NH carbons. Okay, NH carbons like different catalysts you can find in organic the synthesis. So this is very important molecule imidazole. Okay,